Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is June 26th. We got the markets starting off higher this morning. Corn up a penny and a half. Beans 14 higher in old crop, 9 higher new crop, and then we've got wheat up 2.5 cents. Mostly the strength export sales. Big reason for that this morning. Beans, they expected an old crop to see 50,000 tons to 150,000 tons. Came in at 317. Very, very strong for beans, old crop sales. New crop, they wanted 200,000 to 400,000, came in at 457. So across the board, good sales for beans. Probably going to see some strength out of that as we continue through the morning. But for corn, same thing there. Old crop corn, 150,000 to 300 is the estimate. Came in at 321. So very strong as well, or stronger than the estimates. Let's put it that way. So can we continue to see some strength throughout the day? We've got this report that's coming up on Monday, and some of those expectations with quarterly stock numbers in beans. Are we going to see some tighter numbers? Well, we continue to sell some here as well. It's certainly going to feed the bull, and as we go into that report, looking for some revisions and some tighter stocks come Monday. But we're also finding bean basis around the country remaining strong. Meal basis very strong as well. And so we're certainly finding that to be the case and could end up seeing that support the market here if we do see some lower levels as well. So beans right now have got some reasons to see some strength today. Wouldn't be surprised to see some continued strength out of beans. But overall, volume is very light for the grains. Not a lot of stories out there besides that. So still going to see some choppiness out of wheat. Guys were asking me yesterday, why does this wheat just can't seem to find some strength? It's more of a global picture. We know here for spring wheat, ratings are great. Things are looking good as far as spring wheat. But in the global picture, we just don't have tight stocks like we do here for beans. And then, we'll see what kind of yields we get for corn. Very good to excellent ratings as well. But overall, news is relatively light for corn and wheat, but let's watch those beans today and see where we end up going. As far as livestock, cattle, certainly stronger again today. Feeders leading the way, up another $2 right now. Fat cattle up 70 cents. Box beef coming in mixed, with choice up 88, select down 17, and packer break-evens right now 153.25. So still waiting to see what cash is going to do this week, but the expectations are to see some stronger trade again, and we'll see what happens there. But the other side, the hogs, we saw a sharp decline yesterday for hogs. We're down another 72 today. Cutout values, though, still remaining strong, up 214, and we are continuing to see the cash market remain strong. But you've got some concerns going into Friday, the quarterly hog and pigs report. Last report, guys were expecting to see PED numbers show up, and I think guys are starting to get a little bit panicked on that, that we're not going to see that show up here again. And so you're seeing the markets back off, some profit takings, and some of the longs right now getting taken out of the market. So we'll see if we can hold. Cash markets are still strong, and as I mentioned, cutout values up 214, still very good as well. We should see a recovery at some point, but guys are looking at profit taken ahead of the report Friday. Outside markets, 9 points higher in the stock market right now, $7 lower for gold. Silver down about 14 cents, and you've got the dollar right now about 4 cents higher. Give us a call if you guys have any questions at all, 800-262-7538, or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.